Firmate, an Indian multinational company, is one of India's top manufacturers of construction chemicals, providing cost-effective solutions and world-class services to customers across the globe. Firmate introduces Fairfibre. It is a unique, specially treated, chemically inert polypropylene fiber reinforcement for concrete and mortar which instantly disperses into the mix. Fairfibre is used for internal plaster, external plaster, concrete repairs, terrace slab, driveways, sidewalks, industrial floors, concrete roads, precast concrete, railway sleepers, etc. Advantages of Fairfibre: easily and instantly disperses into the mix, improves tensile and compressive strength, arrest drying, shrinkage, cracks, reduces permeability, hence ensures water tightness. Used as a secondary reinforcement in concrete. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.